Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto from Trezor to Exodus, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your crypto from Trezor to Exodus, ensure you have both your Trezor device. Connect your Trezor device to your computer using a USB cable. Open your browser and navigate to the Trezor website. Log into your Trezor wallet by entering your PIN. After logging in, select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Click on the Send button to initiate the transfer process. Now, open your Exodus wallet application. In Exodus, locate and select the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Click on the Receive button within Exodus to generate your wallet address. Copy the wallet address displayed in Exodus. Return to your Trezor wallet and paste the copied address into the appropriate field. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Double-check the destination address to ensure it is correct. After verifying the details, click on the Send button on your Trezor wallet. You may be prompted to confirm the transaction on your Trezor device. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once confirmed, your transaction will be processed. You can now check your Exodus wallet to see if the funds have arrived. This may take a few minutes depending on network congestion. If the transaction does not appear immediately, be patient and refresh your Exodus wallet. Once the crypto is successfully transferred, you can begin using it in your Exodus wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.